Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back everybody. Let's take a look again on the Forex market. Today we will take a look at the euro currency and British pound as well. Well, yesterday you probably have seen what has happened on Jerome Powell comments. So just we have planned everything in the morning, and then in the evening has come the angry Jerome Powell and messed. So as a result, you can see what the volatility has happened on the intraday charts and hourly chart, and nominally has heard the bearish setup that we have discussed. So because market has shown this spike on a speech of the Jerome Powell, which is actually at least bring some theoretical destruction of the setup that we have made. But in general, it makes no impact on the overall picture. And the major driving factor stands the same. First of all, I would like to show you once again the 10-year yield, which is actually already 5%. And now our nearest target stands at an extension of this big butterfly, so it was 127. Now market is coming to 502, which is 1618. Maybe after that some pullback will happen, maybe not, because currently it's very difficult to say, is because everything now is driven by the external factors such as geopolitical events and situation in the United States, interest rates and in debt actually. So speaking on the Middle East, you could see that slowly, but inflation in the United States is involving in the conflict. So recently some military bases have been bombed in Syria, United States military bases. Some rockets have flied upon some warship of the United States. So something really not really good is happening there, and although the United States would like to stay outside of the conflict, but it seems that in some other countries and in the regions, they have different plans on this moment. And that brings really big uncertainty. And the performance of the interest rate might be not just because of some financial moments, but geopolitical as well. And we could say only theoretically that here it should be some pullback, some reaction on the butterfly. But what will happen in reality, we can't say. You could just take a look in the gold that just rally right totally crazy and ignoring all technical moments, and here it seems that geopolitical factors are too strong to markets pay attention to some technical issues. So on euro currency we mostly have the same setup that we already discussed. So here we do not treat it as a potential upward reversal, because currently it's not clear what the background might be for the reversal in the euro. And we still suggest the downward action is more probable in the nearest time. So we will see. So as I said, these first signs of the bearish dynamic pressure appearing, and let's see what will happen. On the 4-hour time frame chart, the scenario that we thought could be hardly possible, so really very low probability, it actually has happened thanks to Jerome Powell. So we can see that here market still was able to complete the ABCD pattern. So it is not about the completion of the hand and shoulders and possible upward continuation. So hand shoulders still stands in the stage of the failuring. Here it's just because it hasn't reached the neckline and is turning down. And actually this performance is not typical for normal bullish pattern. So this is a clear hint on the failure of this pattern, which suggests drop below these lows at some time. But still some efforts of Jerome Powell, you can see, was able to push the euro currency slightly higher and making complete and discard the steeple to sell. Now market is dropping. If we'll take a look at the parallel view on the Great British pound, here the situation looks more bearish, and it has not shown any significant reaction on the Powell. It's just because previously it has dropped stronger than in the euro. That's why, yes, we see this minor reaction, but it was very temporal. It's first reaction on this target of the butterfly. Now market is breaking the flag and moving lower, rising demand for the United States dollar. So with this background, it's on the euro currency will probably feel the same pressure, and at the some degree should show the similar action that we see on the cable. Maybe not as bearish aggressive, but at the same time, downward continuation seems very probable. So finally, on the hourly chart, what we could say, market stands right now at some range, some flag consolidation. It's definitely not the reversal pattern, so it more looks like the retracement. Since this has brought some adjustment to our recent plan, now guys, you have two options. If you're still a bit not sure and prefer to wait for more confidence, in this case you probably should wait and see for the possible downside breakout and stronger downward action before making a decision. If you're ready to try make some attempt to go short, although theoretically it might be not very successful, but who knows. So actually not successful, I mean in terms that maybe some news releases or something. So because you can see how strong volatility right now on the markets. And if you were right in general on the direction, the entry process might be really tricky, just because of the external moments that we are actually getting every day. So, but for now, since overall context hasn't changed, theoretically it is possible to consider another attempt for entry using these levels or some pullback here and see what will happen. Because overall performance of the euro currency and swing structure doesn't suggest that this is reversal type of action. It's mostly retracement after the drop. And in direct confirmation, you could see as on the Great British pound, it's actually dropping aggressively. That's, by the way, our butterfly that I'm talking about, breaking this consolidation down. It's moving to the 1618, as actually the performance of the interest rate yields as well. So from that standpoint, if you even do not want to buy or to sell right now, at least do not consider taking the long position. So currently I wouldn't consider buying euro currency. So that's our just minor view on the forex market. Let's see how it will turn.